Yes, very good evening. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology Program. And this is the coaching classes for Nmms exam 24-25. And today's topic, we are going to have mental ability, coding and decoding. All right, here goes. Fine. So now coding and decoding, what is it? It is nothing but the process of writing letters or words or sentences, hiding its actual meaning. That is coding. And the process of extracting the information from the coded words or letters is called decoding. Let us start with simple coding. Here the letters are replaced by the natural numbers, right? So now here we have A, B, C, D, F, G, H till P. And for every letter, we are going to have the numbers. So for A, it is 1. For B, it is 2. For C, it is 3 and so on. It goes in the ascending order. And for P, it ends up with 16. All right. And again, it goes on for Q 17, R 18. And if for Z, it ends up with 26. So we have 26 letters. All right. Yes. Now, how CAB is written? So CAB can be written as, you can see corresponding to C. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, you can see corresponding to C, it is 3, right? And for A, corresponding to A, it is 1. And B, corresponding to B, it is 2. So it can be written as 3, 2, 1. All right, now let us try another one. MOB. All right, I'm sure you must be able to get it right. Fine, so for M, it is 13. For O, it is 15. And for B, it is 2. Right? Yes. So it is 13, 15, and 2. Now let us try another one. Here we have BAG. So how do you write BAG? So BAG can be written as, for B it is 2, for A it is 1, and for G it is 7. All right? Yes. So it can be written as 217. All right. Now let us try another one. CAR. It can be written as, right. So C stands for 3, A for 1, and R for 18. All right. Yes. So it is 3, 1, and 18. Now let us try another one. APPLE. All right. Now we are trying to code it. So what is A? A is nothing but, all right. So A is nothing but 1. P is 16. Again, P is 16. And what about L? It is 12. And how about E? It is 5. All right. So now APPLE can be written as 1, 16, 16. L is 12 and E is 5. All right. Yes. All right. Now let us try to decode it. Yes. Now, what do you mean by coding? From the letters, we made numbers, and decoding is the other way. So from the numbers, we are going to make the letters. All right. Yes. Let's see this. So 13 is here. It comes for M. And 1 is A. And how about 16? It is P. All right. So it goes like 13 is for M, M, A, P. All right. Now let us again try to decode it. So 25, 19, 20 is, right? So where 20 comes under T. Yes. So T is 20. 5 is E. All right. So 19 is S. 20 is again T. Right? Yes. So it is TEST. All right. Let us again try another decoding one. Yes, we have 14, 13, 13, and 19. All right. Now, how do we decode it? So 14 comes under N, 13 comes under M, again 13 comes under M, and 19 comes under S. All right. So it is Nmms. All right. Let us decode it. Now let us see another type of coding where letters are replaced with the letter in reverse order. All right. So now we saw it in the alphabetical order, that is in the chronological order. Now let us see in the reverse order. So the reverse order of A, B, C, D till Z starts from Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R till it ends with A. All right. Yes. So for A, anywhere you're getting A, that should be replaced by Z. All right. Fine. So for B, it should be replaced by Y. And for C, it should be replaced by X. For D, it is replaced by W. And so on. All right. Yes. Fine. With this understanding, let us do some coding. Right. Yes. So CAB. It can be written as, so what is C? It is X. What is A? It is Z. And what is B? It is Y. All right. So X, Z, Y. All right. Yes, fine. Good. Now let us try another one. Yes, we have fix, F-I-X. Right. So now how do we go about this? So for F, you have U. For I, you have R. And for X, you have C. All right. Yes. So it goes like URC. All right. Now let us try another one. We have India. So India can be written as, yes, I stands for R. N stands for M. D stands for W. Again, I stands for R. And A stands for Z. Yes. So it is R, M, W, R, Z. All right. Now you can try. We have the letter world, W-O-R-L-D. So world can be written as the usual way, right? So W stands for D, O stands for L, R stands for GHI. All right. So it is I, right? And L stands for O, D stands for W, right? So now when we try to code it, we'll get DLIOW. All right, now let us try another one. We have Maths, MATHS. Right, so now let us try to code it. M stands for N, A stands for Z, T stands for G, H stands for S, and S stands for H. All right. Yes. So it is N Z G S H. All right. Now, all right. Fine. So now we'll try for marks. MARKS. Right. So for marks, M stands for N, A stands for Z, R stands for L, K stands for P, and S stands for H. Right? So it should be NZIPH. All right. Now let's try social. SOCIAL. All right. For social, it is S stands for H, O stands for L, C stands for X, and I stands for R, A stands for Z, and L stands for O. All right. So it goes like HLX, RZO. Fine. So let us try idli, IDLY. So for idli, for I, it is R. For D, it is W. For L, it is O. And for Y, it is B. Right? So it is RWOB. Fine. So now let us try. See, when we take idli, you should not miss dosa, isn't it? So we are also going to try for dosa. All right. So for D, it is W. For O, it is L. For S, it is H. And for A, it is Z. Right? So it is W, L, H, Z. Fine. So now another one, let us try. It is Laddu. Laddu. So L stands for O, A stands for Z, D stands for W, and again D stands for W, and U stands for F. All right. So it is O, Z, W, W, F. All right. So now let us try to decode it. So what do you mean by decoding? They will give you this letters. Now we need to bring it to the original one, right? Now ULC. All right. So now how do we do ULC? We are trying to decode it. So we should be very careful as to what the question is, whether we should code it or decode it, right? So here, where is U? U stands for F. L, right? So where is L over here? Yes, L stands for O. And what is for C? C stands for X. All right. So it is F, O, X. Fine. Yes. Now let us try another one. Right. So here it is to be decoded. Fine. So now where is Y? Here goes Y is here. And Z. Z is here. And G. G is here. Fine. So it should be B-A-T. All right. Now let us try another one. We have X. X is here. We have Z. And we have I. All right. So it is C, A. All right. R. Fine. Now let us do the next one. C, A. I'm sorry. I should be 1 second. Yes, here I is here, not this. I is R. Yes, so it is C-A-R. Fine. Now let us do the next one. We have G-Z, G-Z. Now how do we decode it? G-Z. G is here, T, all right? And Z is A. Again, G is T and Z is A. So here we have G for T, A for Z for A. So it is T-A, Tata. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. PZYXWWR. All right. Now how do we decode it? All right. Let's see here. Where is P? P is here. All right. And Z is A. Y. Where is Y? So you should search Y here. Y as B. So P Z Y. Again Z. Next we have W. Again you have W. And then you have R. R is I. All right. Now let's see the answer. It is Kabaddi. Right. So how Kabaddi? K, A, B, A, D, D. Because there are two W's. So D, D. And for R, it is I. So after decoding it, we get it as Kabaddi. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. We have ELOOVP. Now how do we decode this? Now you have to search here. Where is E? E is here. And where is I? I'm sorry, where is L? L is here. And where is O? O is here. Again, O is here. Next, you have V. V is E. And you have B. B is here. All right. So after decoding, you will get it as V, O, L, two O's. So L, right? Again, V, E. And next is B. B is Y. So it is volume. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. Coding is easy. Decoding also is easy. The only thing is you should be a little careful. Quickly, we need to select carefully. All right. Yes. So another letter to be decoded is LIWRMZIB. All right. Now where is L? Yes. Here is L. Next you have I. Next you have W. Next you have R. Next you have M. Next you have Z. Again I. And you have B. Right? So it is O, R, D, I, N, A, R, R, and Y. Right? That is B is Y. So it is ordinary. Fine? Yes. Right. So we have another one to be decoded. So I'm sure you all will be able to do this. Let us see the letters. V, C, Z, N, R, M, Z, G, R, L, M. And how is that decoded? Fine, let us try. All right, so here we have V. V is here. We have C. Where is C? C is here. We have Z. Next we have N. Next we have R. Next we have M. Next we have Z. So again here. Next we have G. All right. Next we have R. So R is here. Next we have L. We have L. All right. So now where is L? Here. And you have M. M is here. Fine. So after decoding, you get examination. EXAMINATION. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. We have ZNVIRXZ. Now how is this going to be decoded as? Right. So fine. So let us try this. Z is A. All right. N is M. V is E. Right. And I is here, R. Right. And we have R here. So R is I. We have X is C. Z is again A. All right. So when we decode it, we get it as America. AMERICA. Fine? Yes. Good. Now let us try another one. We have ZNVIRXZ. So I'm sure you all will be able to do this by yourself. Anyway, let's try. So here you have Z as A. You have N here. N as M. All right. Next we have V. V is here E. We have I as R. Next you have R. R is here I. Next you have X, which is C, and Z again is A. All right. So it is the same as America, what we just now did. All right. Yes. Next you have ZHRZ. Right. So how do we decode this? ZH. Z is A. Right. And H is S. So let us try AS. And what is R? Yes. So R is I. What is Z? Again A. So it should be Asia. ASIA. All right? Yes, fine. Now let us see another type of coding where letters are replaced with the previous letter. Fine. So supposing you have A, B, C, D till Z. Now we are starting with Z. Fine. So A, the alphabet starts with A and ends with Z. Now we are starting with Z, all right? And it goes A, B, C, D, E, F. So now what happens when I'm trying to, code for B, I will have to write A. When I'm trying to code for C, the coding will be B, right? And when I'm trying to do the coding for A, it would be A is the first letter. And what is the last one? That is Z. So for A, it will be Z. So we are trying to code it where the letters are replaced with the previous letter. All right. So in fact, this is very interesting. So A is replaced by Z, B is replaced by A, C is replaced by B, D is replaced by C, and so on. All right. Yes. Now let us try to code social. Fine. All right. So here you have to see. Yes. Here S is R. Fine. O is N. C is B. I is H. A is Z. And L is K. Fine. Yes. So we get R, N, B, H, Z, K. Fine. Yes. All right. Now let's try another one. We have Max. Maths. So how do we code this? Right. So it goes M is L, A is Z, T. T is here S, H. H is G, S is R. All right. So it is L, Z, S, G, R. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. We have O, N, N, T. All right. What is O, N, N, T? Fine. So let us code. We are supposed to code it, isn't it? Yes. So we have N. And what is N? It is M. Again M. And what is T? T is nothing but S. All right. So it should be Nmms. All right. Yes. All right. Now let us see the next one. Nmms is written as, right. So now we are going to code it, right? Yes. Here goes. N. Here. N is M. What is M? M is L. Again, M is L. And we have S is R. So it goes like M, L, L, R. All right? Yes. Let's try another one. We have India. India. All right? So, India, we are trying to code it, isn't it? All right. So, for India, for I, it is H. For N, it is M. For D, it is C. For I, again, it is H. And for A, it is Z. All right. So, now the coding is H, M, C, again H, Z. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. We have world. WORLD. So now here again we are trying to code it. All right, students. So not more than 30 seconds should be taken to answer this. All right. Fine. So W is here V. All right. O is N. R is Q. L is K. D is C. Fine. So it goes like V, N, Q, K, C. All right. Let's try America. Fine. So let us try to code this. Yes. A stands for Z. M stands for L. E stands for D. R stands for Q. I stands for H. C stands for B. A stands for Z. So it should be Z, L, D, Q, H, B, Z. All right. Yes. Now let us try another one. We have Telangana. Right? Yes. Fine. So T is here S, E is D, L is K, A is Z, N is M, G is F, A is again Z, N is M, and A is again Z. All right. So it goes like S, D, K, Z, M, F, Z, M, Z. All right. Now let us try Varangal. All right. Yes. So Varangal here, W is V, A is Z, R is Q, again A is Z. Next you have N as M. Next you have G as F, A is Z again, L is K. All right. So it goes like V, Z, Q, Z, M, F, Z, K. All right. Yes. Now let us try holiday. All right. So how do we code holiday? H is here. O is here. N. L is K. I is H. D is C. A is Z. Y is X. All right. So it is G, N, K, H, C, Z, X. All right. So now what we have done is coding. Now with the same thing, let us try to decode it. Right? Now how do we decode this? Yes. So you have to see here. Now B stands for C. N stands for O. T stands for U. M stands for N. S stands for T. Q stands for R. And X stands for Y. All right. Yes. So it is country. C O U N T R Y. Yes. All right. Now let us decode ZW ZL. All right, students. Yes. So now, sorry, DW ZL. D is E. W is X. Z is A. And L is M. Right? So it is E X A M, exam. Fine. Now let us try to decode AQD Z J. All right. Yes. So here we have A as B, Q as P, and for D it is E, for Z it is A, and for J it is K. So it is BR, that is Q. One second. Sorry. Q is here. So BR, right? E, A, K. So it is break, right? Yes. Now let us see another type of coding where letters are replaced with letters advanced by 2 in the order. All right. Yes. The last one that we saw, it was 1. So instead of Z, we wrote it as A. Instead of A, we wrote it as B, and so on. Here, we are going to advance by 2 letters, which means for A, we are going to write C. So we are going to skip AB, we are going to write C. For B, it would be replaced as D. So BC will be skipped and we are going to write D. Right? And for C, it is replaced by E and so on. Fine? Yes. Now let us try to code social. All right. Yes. So this is coding. Fine. So social is U. All right. O is Q. C is E. I is K. A is C. And L is N. So it is U, Q, E, K, N. All right. Yes. Now let us try basket. Right. So for B it is D. A it is C. For S it is U. For K it is M. For E it is G. And for T it is V. All right. So it is DCUMGV. All right. Now let us try biryani. Fine. So how do we try to, code it? B is here D. I is K. R is T. Y is A. A is C. N is P. And again, I is K. All right. So it is DKTACPK. Fine. Now let us try to code Europe. Fine. Yes. So for E, it is G. For U, it is W. For R, it is T. For O, it is Q. For P, it is R. For E, it is G. So it is GWTQRG. Fine. Yes. Now we are going to decode it. All right. Yes. So what are we going to decode it? We are going to decode ECV. So E is here. C is A. And how about for V? It is T. Yes. So it is C, A, T. Fine. This is how the decoding is done in this. All right. Now let us decode RWV. Fine. So here R is P, W is U, V is T. Fine. So it is PUT put. Let us decode DWV. All right. Now how do we decode this? D is B, W is U, V is T. So it is but, B-U-T. Fine. Now let us decode DCNN. All right. So we have D, right? So D. Next we have C. Next we have N. 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 So it is B-A. There are two N's, so two L's. So B-A-L-L. All right. Yes. Now let us decode OWVVQP. All right. Now how do we decode this? Yes. So it is O is here M. W is U. V is T. Again V is T. Q is O. And P is N. So it is MUTTON. All right. Yes. Now let us decode EQWPVTA. All right. Yes. So E is here C, right? So Q is O. So CO. We have W, which is U. We have P, N. Next we have V. V is T. All right. Next we have T. All right. P is 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is T. So T is R. Next we have A. So A is Y. So COUNTRY, country. All right. Yes, now let us study another type of decoding. In this type, we just write the letters of any word in the reverse order. Example, India is written as AIDNI. So we write the word in the reverse order. World is written as DLROW. So now let us try to code it. Yes. So let us try few. So it should be WEF. Right? Yes. So now we have Mississippi. MISSISIPPI. Now, when we try to write it in the reverse order, we get PPI, SISSIM. All right. So Australia is written as AILARTSUA. All right. Yes. So AILARTSUA. Pacific is written as CIFICAP. So CIFICAP. All right. Yes. Now let us decode it. We have racing. Racing is written as GNICAR. Right. So Atlantic is written as CITNANALTA. All right. Telangana is written as ANAGNALET. All right. Now, writing letters in the reverse order. NOITCELE. So now you have to write it in the reverse. ELECTION, which is election. Next, you have ECNEICS. So it is SCIENCE. Right. Next, YRTSIMEHC is decoded as chemistry. CHEMISTRY. Right. Now we have RETUPMOC is decoded as COMPUTER. Computer. Next, you have POTPAL. It is decoded as laptop. LAPTOP. LLABTOOF. It is decoded as football. FOOTBALL. All right. Now let us study another type of coding. We have combination of two types. In this type, first two letters are replaced by previous letter and the rest are written in reverse order. For example, India, right? So here, how do we write India? Yes. For I, it is H. For N, it is M. So HM. For D, right? So here, in the two letters are replaced by the previous letters and the rest are written in the reverse order. Yes. So for D, right. So IN is completed. Now the balance has to be written in the reverse order, which means AID. All right. Yes. So let us try this. CART. Right. So for C, it is B. For A, it is Z. Right. So only first two letters shifted by previous letter and the remaining in reverse order. Right. So here we have B, Z, and right. And the next two are written in the reverse. That is TR. Yes. Now challenge. How do we write challenge? Yes. See here. For C, only first two letters shifted by previous letter. That is B. And for H, it is G. All right. Yes. So C. For H, it is G. And the remaining in reverse order, which means it is EGNELLA. All right. So BG. Next, EGNELLA. All right. Yes. Now let us try for Mulugu. MULUGU. So for the first two, M is, sorry, M is L. And for U, it is T, all right? So it is LT, and the balance is written in the reverse order, that is UGUL, all right? Yes, so this is how it is written, LTUGUL, fine. Now let us try another one. Physics is coded as. So the first two should be coded, all right? Yes. So for P, it is O. For H, it is G, right? So it is O, G, and balance S, C, I, S, Y. Yes. See, it is Q, G, S, C, I, S, Y. All right. Yes. Now let us try Warangal. Warangal. Fine. So for W, it is X, right? For A, it is B. So for W, it is X. For A, it is B. Then Lagnar. Fine. Yes. So see the answer. It is for W. Yeah. So for W, it is V. Yes. So it is V. And for Z, it is, yeah, for A, it is Z. Yes. So it is VZLAGNAR. Fine. Now let us see the next one. Exams is coded as, so for E, it is D. For X, it is W, right? So it is DW. Then writing the reverse, SMA. All right. Yes. Now we have BGYRTSIME. And how is this being decoded? For B, it is A. For G, it is F. And writing the reverse order. Yes, it is C, H. Yes. So CH, then EMISTRY, chemistry. Yes. Now let us try to decode GHYROTS. Fine. So what is G? Yes. So for G, it is H. Yes. For G, it is H. For H, it is I, right? And after that, you have to write the reverse order. So HISTORY. All right. Yes. Now let us try BNRETUPM. So now we are trying to decode it. So when it is decoding, you have to see here. So BC, N is O, right? So how do we decode it? It is COMPUTER. Yes. Fine. Now let us try to decode ZMREWS. All right. So Z is A, right? What is for M? It is N. And you have SWER. So which is answer? Yes. Fine. Now let us try WDXOR. Yes. So W is X, D is E. So it is XEROX, Xerox. Name of the photocopy machine. Yes. Let us try to decode LNELIB. All right. So here L is M. We are decoding it. So you have to see the second. So L is M, right? E is F. L is M. Next you have N, isn't it? N is O. So it is M. For N it is O. Next reverse order, BILE. So mobile. All right. Now let us try to decode VGPPASTA. Right? So V is here W. What is G? G is H. And then let us write the reverse order. SAPP. What's up? All right. Yes, all interesting. Fine. So this is how the coding and the decoding is done. Hope you all would have understood. Let's meet again with another very interesting session. And this is presented by Jatadhara Educational Technology. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. It is done, sir.
Done, ma'am. All right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I'm ending the meeting. Thank you, ma'am.